guys why open source software is incredibly cool and incredibly important. I took someone's code who wrote this entire website in Python, and I customized it, brought in Magicwebstore, and now I can sell my goods and services via this website. So if you guys want to deploy all of this for free, you literally just need a GitHub account, a Streamlit account, and a Lottie account, some type of email to log into those. So that's a lot of accounts you need, 4 accounts, but still, you can get all of this for free with those accounts. So let's dive in.
So all of this code will be open source, so you can pull it down and run it for yourself and adjust it to your needs. It's all front end too, which is beautiful, and like I said, free on Streamlit. The first thing we're going to do is actually run Streamlit run app.py, because that's what I've named my Python app. It's going to open up localhost 8051. This is what the app looks like. I'll show you guys. And adjust dynamically, which is beautiful for mobile, whatever. You can also put a link right here. I'm linking my Medium, a little about you, some emojis. I'll show you how to change these images, these adjustable ones. Same with this one down here. And yeah, I'll show you how to add a form thing through formsubmit.co, who handles all the backend stuff. And then you basically just get an email in your inbox, just beautiful. And if you haven't seen my video on Magicwebstore, I highly recommend checking it out to learn how to use it. But you can sell any good or service and product straight from this. So let me get this app. Anything I want to change in here? Let's see. I am fueled by a passion to leverage open source technologies that can transform peer-to-peer value transfer. Yeah, it sounds okay, but how can I shorten that? I have a passion for leveraging. I also believe in the power of compounding, so I've committed to writing daily for life or until Medium goes out of business. Great. So I'm going to save that with Command Save, go back to this, update it. That looks good. And also I'll show you guys at the top here, you can change emojis. So where do I have it? Yeah, boom, rocket. I could do purple heart. Could be wrong. Let's see. Yeah, look, that works. So I'm going to change that back to the rocket, but you get the idea. You can change the emoji to various things. Anything else I want to change on this page? Let's see. I'll show you guys the columns right here. So there's 101, I believe it's split it evenly. Yep. So see how it's now, they're just both taking up one side, but I think the 1 and 2 looks better. So now my writing, now that I made it 2, should take up more of this. And sure enough, it does. It takes up its own 2 columns. This only takes up 1 column. Then down here, they're both taking up 50%. So I guess the last thing I can show you guys is how to use LottiesFiles to pull in images. So you guys are going to need to get an account on Lottie, and then when you do, here you can search for really any animations. And actually, let me add this cool Bitcoin animation. So we need this asset link right here. I don't know. Disabled. Great. Let me refresh that page right quick. All right, got the asset link, and then you see up here I gave these 2 variables URLs to JSON. So obviously you're going to have to basically return some JSON. Lovely. Save that, and then now when we go to this, I believe, let's see, yeah, pretty cool. There's no second best, so, you know, I wish this was a Bitcoin only thing, but that is a pretty cool animation, I must say. Looks great with the black background. And then also, I know I said this would be the last thing, but check this out, you can change the background color. So if I went on colorhunt.co, pull a new tab. I love Color Hunt. Let me be on my designer business real quick. Let's see, let's go background. Oh, what a nice cream color. Pull that in. It's right here. It's a .streamlit folder, config.toml file, and then check it out. If we go back to my app, that should be that color background now, which of course is a cool looking color, but it's a bit too light. But you get the idea. So I'm actually just going to undo all of that. I think this is the color I was rocking with originally. Yeah, look at that blue. Pretty cool. But I think the black actually looks the best, if I'm being honest. Yeah, play around with this. Adjust this to your own needs. And ask in the chat, it's 000 for black, I believe. The way you can't see the text. Okay, nice. Yep. Looking good. So yeah, you can use LottiesFiles to literally get like search any animation you want. And let me change that back to the old one. Nice. Yeah, like this balance dude right here. Okay, so now I actually want to go ahead and deploy this. So I'm going to do this with you guys. Get a init, run that in your terminal, open up your GitHub account. We're going to create a new repository. Let me go to my thing, a profile, repositories, new repository. What did I call this one? Python website YouTube tutorial. Brilliant name. Didn't see a way to copy and paste that. 1 second. All right, copy that. Copy and paste. That URL is available. Great, create repository. All right, we're going to copy and paste all of this into our terminal. Fantastic. Gonna hit everything. Git add, git commit, making YouTube videos in parentheses. Double quote. Git push. Go back to GitHub. I'm hitting Command Tab for those wondering, and then back to Python website YouTube tutorial. And it looks like, let's just check the images folder. Fantastic. Looks like that's been uploaded. Yes, it has. Great. So now we're going to want to go to Streamlit. You're going to need a Streamlit account. Sign in. Oh, also, you got to make sure, I will look up the command and edit it in for you guys. I will edit in the command for you guys. You're going to need to make one of these requirements. Well, you don't have to, but it's much better to make one of these requirement TXT files. That way, when you do create an app on Streamlit, it works. You just delete that one. I don't want that app anymore. New app. Okay, paste GitHub repo URL. Fantastic. Right there. Deploy an app. Do like that. All right, there we go. We're just going to say app.py. And then I actually did like steps. Chep Python. Yeah, I like that. Chep Python. Glad it's available. Let's see if it does it. Because these requirements.txt, I believe they tell it what it needs to download to run up in the cloud. So my app's in the oven. It's cooking. It's cooking. Hopefully it cooks correctly. Let's go over to color palettes and just browse nice color palettes. My alma mater is brown and baby blue. The colors anyways. What else we got here? Cold, icy, summer. All right, back to Streamlit. Oven is still cooking my food. Ooh, summer colors looking nice. Gradient, nice. Cream. Do like some cream colors. All right, let's see. Let's see the moment of truth. Oh, let's go. Just like that. Ooh, I didn't show you guys the form submit thing. Let me get that in real quick. All right, before I forget, lovely people of YouTube, let me show you where to go. Formsubmit.co. You don't even need the your mail thing, just formsubmit.co, and then basically, you copy and paste this in there. If you see in my file, you can change up these inputs. You don't have to require everything I did on my form, so it will not submit unless, people fill in the stuff, which is something I like. But right here, you can put any email. And what you're going to want to do is, put mucker@proton.me, just like a nice little burner email I got. And then if I start this up, streamlit run app.py, right? Now that we got the bin mucker thing, let's see, test at gmail.com. Remember I said it would not send unless I filled out the field. Wasn't capping. And then let's say YouTube. Thanks for watching. Anon. I should say anon. Thanks for watching YouTube. All right. Send that puppy. And I had actually already registered this bin mucker email, but had I not, it would basically say, please activate it. And then it would give you a string that looks like this, right? So right there, you're going to want to put the string so that way no one can look at the HTML. They can't just hit inspect and basically go inside and see your email address, unless you really don't care, in which case you can also just leave your email address in there. Just make sure you click that activate email. And yeah, that is how you deploy an app for free online. First off, I want to say thank you to Sven, the German dude who showed me how to code this whole thing up in Python. First time coding a website in Python, and I think it looks great. It's actually super easy. Love learning different languages. And that's just the power of open source software. The dude literally made this code free in both the commercial sense. I don't have to pay any money for it. I don't have to pay any Bitcoin for it. And also in the sense I can use it. I can build on top of it. And the guy who created Magicwebstore, also open source software that he just released to the world for free. And now with these tutorials, you can combine them, basically put together your own website. Super simple. It does take 4 logins, as I mentioned earlier. But seriously, how incredible is that you can just go and create your own website with, all these tools available now. It's an incredible time to be alive. It's an incredible time to be learning. I appreciate every single one of you guys who watches this. I hope you got some value. If you did, consider maybe sending me some sats, zapping me. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I appreciate every single one of you, like I said, and I hope all of you have a fantastic day.